Hi, what's up everyone? My name is Kaye Ramos and welcome to my channel where I share Christian living tips to help you gain clarity and purpose as you get closer to Jesus. So on today's video, I would like to share with you how you can make a do-it-yourself Bible tabs for only $2. Before that, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and of course, click the bell button so you'll be notified for more videos like this one. So, I recently got my new journaling Bible, which I absolutely love. I shared about it in this video and some affordable Bible journaling supplies to go with it in this video. I will put the links in the description box below, so feel free to check that out. So as I went through the aisles of Dollar Tree to get some of my journaling supplies, I saw some file folders and an idea came to my mind. They will be great for Bible tabs because they are extremely sturdy and hard. So I decided to make a do-it-yourself Bible tabs. So this project is perfect for those who have patience to cut and have extra time to do so. If you don't have both, don't worry. You can always avail some ready-made Bible tabs. Like I said, I saw several file folders from Dollar Tree and they come in different designs. There are even plain ones to choose from. I really like this floral design. What's awesome about it is it comes in a pack of 3. I also got a double-sided tape to stick the tabs onto the Bible. I am so excited about this project, so let's go ahead and start. First step, cut the file folders in letter size. In order to fit in our printer, we have to trim the folders first. So what I did here is to get a letter size paper, trace it, then cut it out. Second step, create your digital tabs. You can download free printable tabs online or you could create your own like in this tutorial. If you would like to save some time, you can support me by purchasing this template from my shop. I would appreciate it so much. I will put the link in the description box below. What's good about black and white is you can use it with any background you find. There are also different designs and shapes to choose from. Third steps, print your tabs. Once you are done designing your tabs, it's time to print them. Make sure that you know how your printer works. Here, the back portion should be facing up so it will print in front. I recommend that you also check the settings of your printer and make sure that not to scale it to 100% or your tabs will be so big. It is recommended to always do a test print. If you look from afar, they don't seem to be readable, but they are actually clear as you get closer. So take that into consideration when choosing your folders or paper. Your folder might have some designs that will be very difficult for the writings to be visible. You can use different colors or designs or make it uniform just like what I did here. Fourth step, cut your tabs. Now, this is the most tedious part. It's time to cut the tabs. If you want to make the cutting faster, you can just do a rectangular shape. I really like the aesthetic look of this. I cut them while listening to the audiobook and I was able to finish them in no time. In the end, you'll find a strategy that works for you. I find that cutting in the middle and then folding them first makes it a lot easier. I then cut it according to shape. If you are a little bit OC, this might not work for you and you might want to take it slower. Fifth step, attach your tabs on the Bible. I used a double-sided tape, which I also got from Dollar Tree. I cut it in 3 to fit it properly, just like what I do here. So put adhesive on the lower part of the tab where you are supposed to attach it, and then carefully stick it to your Bible. Make sure it's lined up properly before you super stick it. Now for the next tab, I simply mark it with a pencil and stick it gently. Just do it all again until you finish all 64 tabs. The reason why it's 64 tabs is because I combined the books of 1 John to 3 John. If you noticed, I did not add any clear tape on my tabs. It is because the folder is hard and sturdy and has like the glossy feel, so I did not find it essential. I really like how it turned out. It looks so neat and personalized. The font size is just the perfect size for me. I feel like the tabs will last a long time because of the folder. Take note that in any tab you use, you don't use the tabs to flip the pages. It is just there as a marker. I am so happy that these tabs match the cloth cover I used for my Bible. That's it, guys. I hope that this video inspires you to create your own Bible tabs. The key thing when making Bible tabs is to use a paper heavier than the usual paper. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I upload weekly, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell button below for more videos like this one. Again, this is Kaye Ramos and thank you so much for watching. See you guys again next time. Bye!